Welcome. If you've been wondering how to turn on messages from others on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Whether you want to connect with new people or simply make sure you're not missing out on potential collaborations, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your settings. This guide is simple, clear, and up-to-date. Let's begin. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just give it a tap. Once you're inside your profile, look for the small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear, and tap on it. That's where all your account customization options are located. Next, scroll until you see an option called Social Permissions. Tap on that, and you'll see several choices related to how you interact with people across Pinterest. From there, go ahead and tap on Message Settings. This is the section that controls who can send you messages. Now, to start receiving messages from others, you'll want to adjust your permissions here. You'll see an option labeled Everyone Else. Tap on that and then select Requests. By choosing Requests, you're allowing new people, who aren't already in your close circle, to reach out to you. Don't worry, these incoming messages won't crowd your inbox right away. They'll first arrive as requests so you can decide whether to accept or ignore them. It's a perfect balance between staying open to opportunities while keeping things organized. And that's it. You've just turned on messages from others on Pinterest. This small change can make a big difference if you use Pinterest for networking, business, or inspiration sharing. Now anyone can reach you through message requests while you still remain in control of who you interact with. So if you're aiming to grow your reach, build new connections, or simply make sure you're not missing an important message, updating this setting is essential. Take a moment today to follow these steps, and you'll be ready to connect more easily with others on Pinterest.